2, 3, go! All right. High fives. Lucy, give Helen a high five.
Wait! Here, you guys. Hug it out. Hug it out. Hug it out. Competition's in. Aww. Okay, let's set up for another race.
Go stand. Go stand with Helen. We're going to do another race.
Make him high five again now.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
All right. Yay! Lucy, you didn't even try. Okay, high fives.
High fives.
High fives. Do it again. High five. High five. Yeah, now hug. Hug it out. Aww.
Aww.